the sun is shining and it's eventually warm out there. Most of you boys and girls out there will be wearing something like this. A full textile riding suit. Nothing wrong with it. When the temperature gets into double figures and over 20 degrees, everybody would rather wear something like this. This is not very practical when riding a motorcycle. So this week I'm going to give you some ideas on how to be comfortable, protected and to stay cool whilst riding your motorbike. Fancy a bit of that? As they say, stick around and stay tuned. Hey up YouTubers, how are we? Simon B here, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're keeping safe out there. So the sun's been shining, it's been quite warm hasn't it for the last week, and we're up to our summer. Everywhere I go I see more and more people wearing textile clothing and it's warm. Why are you wearing it? There is loads of stuff out there that you guys and girls can wear to keep you warm, that you can wear to keep you cool, also safe whilst riding your motorcycle. So start with the top. The textile clothing is great. Nothing wrong with it for certain types of riding. Above 20 degrees, something like this isn't very practical at all. Yes, it does have vents. It has vents in the front, it has exhaust vents in the back of it, and it will keep, and it has vents all the way up the arms. Yes, it will keep you cool, but it's not going to be as comfortable as other things that are available on the market. The Lindstrad's Sunny suit, Sunny, which I bought, just bought this year. I'll be doing a full review on it. We took it to France, did about 1,500, well, 2,000 miles in it. So a review on that will be coming soon, but we're not talking about things like this because this is not really practical for summer. So going away for big heavy textiles, AA rated, AAA rated, tops and bottoms. Jackets, lightweight jackets. This is the Husqvarna Vitpilen, I think that's how you pronounce it. Beautiful single layer jacket. It's a drop liner waterproof jacket, but it does have a considerable amount of vents on it. It has vents all the way through there. I'm not doing, this isn't a full review on jackets and stuff, but this is the sort of thing that most of the people out there that aren't doing a lot of touring, that don't ride all year round, which would do you for spring, most of summer and autumn. Great jacket, and the thing about it is that jacket is less than 200 quid and it has a lot of vents with it. Something else to think about instead of a full textile suit. So going from something with a waterproof membrane, we've done the review on probably the best jacket in the world. So this is the Klim Marrakesh mesh jacket, great for anything over 15 degrees. It's a AA rated, it's the same as the Husqvarna, and it's a quality bit of kit. There is cheaper ones, I'm going to show you one in a sec. So that's the Klim Marrakesh, full mesh jacket, beautiful stretch material, absolutely joy to wear. If you haven't got one of these jackets, I would go out and buy one. Anything over 15 degrees in this country, you should be wearing one of them. One gripe, only one. It doesn't have a zip at the back to connect it to any trouser. That is the only problem with it. It comes standard with D30 protection in the shoulders, in the shoulders. When you buy it, it comes complete with full armour, shoulders, elbows and back protector. That's all in the price, you don't have to buy anything else. Full D30, everybody should have one of them. Even if you only wear it twice a year, it'll last you 20 years. Go out and buy one. From the Klim Marrakesh mesh jacket, which retails I think now at 400 quid, it's gone up. My video that I've just sent you to, it was 350, it's gone up 50 quid. Should have bought it then when I told you to last year. Oxford, full rate. There's a full range of mesh jackets out there, starting from this. I bought this to wear in summer on my KTM while I'm green laning. I was going to wear like something like a force field body armour. I went for the Oxford because it was the cheapest. The Oxford jacket is okay, don't get me wrong, no problem with it. A few gripes I don't like about it. Well, it's less than half price of the Klim, and you can tell that. The jacket itself is only A rated, it's not double A rated, so riding this on my GS at 70 miles an hour wouldn't give you much protection. Riding this on my KTM at 30 miles an hour, no problem at all. It doesn't come with a back protector, it comes with level 1 shoulders and elbows, and it fits a purpose. The Klim is far superior to it. Yes, I know it's expensive, but it fits better, it wears better, it feels better, and the function is better. So usually the problem is people say I'm not paying a lot of money for this kit. The reason you're paying a lot of money of it because the innovation that goes into it. Green laning, it's fine. I could not wear that like I did with my Klim last year and did 2,000 miles around the north coast of Scotland. 89 quid, so we're not talking hundreds of pounds. Mesh jacket, over 15 degrees in this country, Oxford, 89 quid. Richelieu one, there's loads of them. We talked about the top, well what about the bottoms? I'll tell you about the bottoms. The Lindstrad Sunny suit, absolutely fantastic suit. It does have venting system. It has 2 vents just above the knees, which are on your thighs as you sat down on a motorcycle, and they do open, and they're alright. They're alright, but anything plus 17, well anything plus 22 degrees, they're not very comfortable. And being comfortable on a motorbike makes you be able to think properly and be safer. So if you're comfortable on a motorbike, it's the time when, if you've ever looked similar in my videos regarding the warm and safe base layer, if you're warm, you think better, you become safer. Same with the heat. So nothing wrong with them. Above 22 degrees, I'll show you what else you can wear. So if you watch one of the videos regarding the, I think it was best pants in the world, if you haven't seen that video, it's up there. These are the John Doe most comfortable motorcycle pant you'll probably ever wear, and similar to the Klim Marrakesh. I think if you haven't got a pair of these, then you should go out and buy one. That's my opinion, you don't have to. So what makes these comfortable? Well, if you have a look at the video, it'll tell you all about it. But these are double A rated. Sorry, they're not double A rated, these are triple A rated. So these are as strong as leather. These are single layer jean. So because they're a single layer within the weave of the fabric, so look, single layer within the weave of the fabric, you have holes in it which allows air to flow through. So as you're riding along, you're getting a flow of air through the whole garment. These don't flow as much air as what's something else I'm going to show you, but these are more comfortable than the next thing that I'm going to show you. Comes with armour, hip and knee armour, similar to the level 2 Ghost armour. Thin, pliable, moves in any direction, most comfortable armour you can have, and once you've got the pants on, nobody can really tell that these are motorcycle jeans, because they just look like a pair of combat pants. I've had quite a lot of jeans in my time, and some of them have been absolutely rubbish, and I wish I'd never bought them. I'm not going to tell you the makes, but lower end jeans, A, they don't fit properly, B, they don't give you the protection, and C, they don't last very long. So these currently are still 235, I think they're still less than 250. 2 years, nearly 3 years. Not worn them every day, which you don't, because it's not hot every day. You don't need them every day. So the 250, divide that by 2 years, that's 125 quid. Divide by 3 years, we're talking £75 a year. For 75 quid, you cannot buy a decent pair of comfy, protective AAA jeans anywhere. Invest in a pair of these, or something that I'm going to show you next. So that's the John Doe Defender Cargo. You want a pair of jeans that's going to give you safety. You want a pair of jeans that's going to flow maximum air through and keep you cool. And you want a pair of jeans that are going to fit you. And a pair of jeans that are going to look like a normal pair of normal jeans when you get off the bike. These, ladies and gentlemen, are probably the best jeans that you will ever buy in your life. These are Roker jeans. Now, you're all going, yeah, but they're expensive. Yes, they are expensive. But, as we said before, you pay for the innovation with them. So the two guys who set up the Roker company, when they tried to find a decent pair of riding jeans, they couldn't find any. So they finished working in the city and they set their own company up with the vision to make the best motorcycle jeans in the world. And to be honest with you, I think they've done it. They look like a normal pair of jeans, as you can see. They wear like a normal pair of jeans, and the protection on them is, again, AAA rated. People will say, I can't find a pair of jeans that will fit me. Within the range of Roker, you will find a pair of jeans that will fit you, and they will fit you very, very well. They do a considerable amount of waist sizes, but they also do a considerable amount of leg lengths, and they do a lot of leg lengths which aren't finished. If you're a bit short in the leg or a bit long in the leg, you can get a pair of Rokers that will fit you. They do loads of different fits. This is supposed to be a slim fit. This is not like your teenagers tight fitting drain pipes. This, it tapers down the leg. The thighs, I have a problem buying jeans because I have big thighs, and these fit me. These are a standard pair, 34, 32 leg, and they fit. If you buy these from Motor Legends down in Guildford, if you go down and see them, and there's a slight discrepancy somewhere within the where to put the armour is in the wrong place, they'll sort that out for you. If it hasn't got a finished leg, they'll sort that out for you and have it stitched back up, and that's, I believe, is all free of charge. These are worth the weight in gold. These are probably the best things you'll ever buy. It's still a toss up between which is best, these Roker jeans or my John Does. The John Does are comfier, don't get me wrong, they are comfy, but every time I put these on, I think, why don't I wear these a bit more often? So these can be worn on anything. They're AAA rated. Upgrade to the Ghost Armour, that's the D30 Ghost Armour. Look how soft that is. So that is a level 2 armour that for the hip. But if you need a market for a really good pair of jeans, the Rokers, Motor Legends, I'll put a link down below, and well, I'll put a link down below of all the stuff that we're talking about here and where you can find the stuff from. So we've done the top, we've done the legs. What about on your feet? Well, usually with your Textile suit, you'll be wearing something like a touring boot or some sort of high boot. These are the Daytona Roadstar GTXs, probably the best motorcycle riding boots you can ever buy. Another company that strive to make the best of the best for motorcycling, but anything over 22 degrees, you won't want to be wearing these. So Si, what should I wear? Well, if you're on your CCM Spitfire, or on your Sunday bike, or your Husqvarna Vitpilen, with your Roker jeans on, or your John Doe jeans, what would go so much better than something like that? A TCX leather ankle boot. Comfortable, thin, protective, and a bit more comfier and a bit more healthier for your feet than wearing your Daytona Roadstar GTXs. So yeah, the TCX Hero boot. Great protection, great ankle protection. The sole is not going to shatter your feet because it's got a strengthened sole in it. Commando sole on the bottom of it for grip when you're off the bike. Really comfortable, close fitting, not too big, not too clumsy. Really nice boot to wear in the summer. But you're thinking, well, I ride a GS. I don't want to wear my Textile suit. I don't want to wear my Daytona Roadstar GTXs. What am I going to wear, Si? Well, another pair of short boots which I bought not too long ago. Maybe a review coming soon. What can you say about a boot? It fits and it's nice and it's okay. So this is a short adventure boot. Gives you the full protection. It's got a waterproof and breathable liner. It's the event liner. It has really grippy sole on it, good ankle protection. It does flex a little bit than it really should. That makes it comfier when you're off the bike. The nice feature that these have is it has the BOA lacing system, which is easy to use. Only gripe I have about these, the sizing is way out, absolutely way out. I usually take around about a size 9. These actually are a size 11 and they fit me. I have worn them with the Roker jeans. I've worn them with the John Does on the GS, with the Klim Marrakesh, and I'm telling you, it's sublime. These are all my personal findings with this stuff, and I have worn it for quite some time. Most of everything I have worn for a couple of years now. A few years ago there wasn't some quality gear like there is now, because there is a lot of quality gear and stuff that's going to make you feel comfortable when the weather gets warm and the temperatures go up. You don't have to be wearing them textiles anymore. So there you go, YouTubers, what do you think about that? Does that give you some incentive to go out and get yourself something apart from your textile clothing? Well, if it doesn't, I can't really help you any other way, because when the temperature gets over 70, well, over 15 degrees and gets up above 20, up to 25 degrees, there's nothing worse than wearing your textile suit. Yes, it does flow air, but when you stop, you're very uncomfortable. The Klim Marrakesh, best jacket in the world. So if you thought that video was okay, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Thanks very much, and thanks for being here to the end. I've mentioned it before. You can support me. The link down below is support the channel on Buy Me a Coffee. Not compulsory. If you want to, if you like these videos, feel free. Click that link below. Support the channel. So if you're out there riding, don't forget, ride safe, keep safe, and be safe. And don't get COVID, because that's on its way up now, isn't it? I don't want that again. That'll be the third time if I get it. I don't want it again. Again, thanks for watching, and as they say, we'll see you soon.
Like and subscribe.